The Jamaican woman who changed a 110-year-old global organization. She didn't just win, she changed history. They told the Caribbean to wait its turn. Hope Marks didn't wait, she made history. In a world where global leadership rarely looks like us, a Jamaican woman just shattered a 110-year ceiling. Hope Marks is now the first Caribbean national, the first black woman, elected president of Kiwanis International, one of the largest volunteer service organizations on earth, serving children across 84 countries, and when she realized she'd won, I'm still pinching myself. But this story didn't start on a global stage. It started in Kingston, Jamaica, at Alpha High School, at St. Joseph Teachers College, with a mother who saw something special in her child, a calling. A calling to serve children. That calling led her to help found the Kiwanis Club of Hopewell in Hanover, a little big club that would one day produce a global president. 26 years later, that same woman will officially lead 155,000 members worldwide. She doesn't do it for money. There is no salary, no spotlight. This is volunteer work, she says. You give of your time selflessly. And those who've worked beside her say the same thing. She brings people together. The hardest worker I've ever seen. Always focused on serving children. In 110 years, only 4 women have ever led Kiwanis International. Hope Marks is the first woman of color. The first Caribbean voice at the very top. That's not just representation. That's transformation. Back home in Hopewell, when the news broke, grown adults cried. Not from surprise. From pride, because when one of us rises, we all rise. Hope Marks doesn't want to be remembered as just a first. She wants to be a signal. If Hope tried it, she says, let me try too. This is what Caribbean leadership looks like. Rooted, humble, global. She didn't just break a barrier, she opened a door. If this story inspired you, like this video. Share it with someone who needs to see what's possible. And subscribe because Caribbean excellence deserves a global spotlight. History is watching. And the Caribbean is leading.